Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create this logo transition in Premiere Pro.
Take your editing to the next level with the ultimate preset pack for creators. You can grab it for just $2 using this coupon code. Link in the description below. Download now.
I already added 2 clips to the timeline. First, drag and drop your logo above the 2 video clips. Then select it and adjust the size to something like this. Next, nest your logo. Go to the Effects panel, search for Transform, and drag and drop it onto the nested layer. Reduce the duration of the nested layer as you prefer. For mine, the length is 70 frames. Hold the Shift key and press the right arrow key 7 times to set that. Now, go to the Effect Controls panel. Move 20 frames forward and create position and rotation keyframes. Then go to the beginning of the clip. Move the logo out of the frame like this, and set the rotation value to -180. To make the animation smooth, expand the position property. Click on the second keyframe and pull the levers until it looks like this. Similarly, expand the rotation property. Click on the second rotation keyframe and pull the levers until it matches this smooth animation style. Next, move the playhead 30 frames forward and create a scale keyframe. Then move another 10 frames forward and increase the size until the logo completely covers the preview window. Animate the rotation property like this to make the scale-up effect more elegant. Afterward, move another 10 frames forward and add a position keyframe. Move 10 more frames forward and use the position property to move the logo out of the frame like this. Set the shutter angle value to 180 for a more dynamic motion blur effect. Finally, move the playhead to the point where the logo covers the entire window. Select the nested layer and press M to mark the spot. Place the nested layer like this, aligning it with the cut between the clips. Now, you have a perfect logo transition seamlessly blending between the 2 clips. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.